Welcome back to RZ Auto Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Hilux, the ultimate pickup that blends toughness with modern tech. Let's check out its design, performance, and features. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Hilux gets a bold new look. The grille is larger, the LED headlights are sharper, and the body lines make it more aggressive. With new alloy wheels and an improved suspension, this truck is built for both style and strength. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple engine options. The 2.8L turbo diesel delivers 201 HP and 500 Nm of torque, making it perfect for towing and off-road adventures. There's also a hybrid version for better fuel efficiency. Inside, the Hilux feels premium yet rugged. The new 10-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, leather seats, and a redesigned dashboard give it a more refined look. Plus, dual-zone climate control ensures comfort on long drives. For off-road lovers, the 2025 Hilux comes with enhanced 4WD, a locking rear differential, and terrain modes. Whether you're on rocky trails or muddy paths, this truck handles it all with ease. Toyota never compromises on safety. The Hilux now includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, a 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking. Whether on highways or off-road, you're always protected. Need a workhorse? The Hilux has a high payload capacity and a strong towing ability, perfect for carrying heavy loads. Plus, the bed liner and multiple tie-down points make hauling cargo super convenient. So, is the 2025 Toyota Hilux worth it? Absolutely. With its rugged performance, advanced tech, and improved comfort, it's a top choice for both work and adventure. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments would you pick the new Hilux. See you in the next one.